Hi, it's Sarah and welcome to my video. So today we are going grocery shopping and I have no idea what to make or what to buy. I don't know if you guys can relate, but this happens to me all the time. Like, I have no idea what I want this week. If you guys have seen my farmers market vlog, if you've also seen what I eat in the day at the farmers market. Oh shoot, today's Saturday too. We could have gone today. What the heck? Then you would know I got that like bowl with a carrot and lentil quinoa like burger. I was thinking about recreating kind of that similar recipe, the lentil and quinoa carrot burger, and then put it on some greens. I've been significantly under my protein mark, but I was thinking, like, what are some good vegan protein sources? I feel like tofu and I could probably get along at some point in life. Every time I've like tried to cook it, it just, I don't know, I just don't like it. But I keep on seeing people eat it and it looks like good and it looks like they genuinely are enjoying it. I want this to just be like an expose on like getting my life together for food sort of experience, and this is the reality of it, except I normally wait until we're like either on our way or in the parking lot or in the grocery store to figure out what I want to eat. Here's a good tip. If you're trying to eat healthy, having a good plan before you go into the whole thing is really a good tip. And take it from me as someone who doesn't generally plan, that if you do a little planning ahead of time, and even if I were to figure out all my recipes and log them like I had already eaten them today, I know exactly what I'm getting myself into. I can get in, get out, and I know I have enough food for the entire week, and then you're solid. You're stuck with that food that you bought. Like, you have to eat healthy, and you won't end up like me when I go into the grocery store and I don't know what I want and I end up getting the same thing I ate last week. Just figure everything out ahead of time. I'm gonna go ahead and do my research and do some soul searching with my recipes. So guys, if you're liking this video so far and you like my other content on my channel, please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. It really supports my channel. And also, if you like these types of videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up right now. And yeah, continue watching. Okay, so Patrick and I are finally on our way to go get groceries. It is after 1 o'clock now. I have not eaten anything because I realized, unfortunately, I am all out of kale, which is like the worst thing ever, but so I'm still hungry, but we're gonna stick it through, just go get groceries. I think we have it all figured out, like what we're gonna get mostly. We're like kind of doing that right now, so I'm trying not to be a hypocrite. But yeah, so we're trying to plan, we're working together to figure out what we really want, and that way we can go in on a mission and get what we need. We're gonna stick it through, just go get groceries. Oh no, what just happened? Uh-oh. Hypocrisy at its finest. I just got a McGriddle, but that's all I got, so hopefully that can be rationalized, I suppose. But I think we're gonna do a couple stops, and I haven't eaten, and it's after 1:30, so there was not a whole lot of options in this area. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here in the parking lot and hork down some Mickey D's real quick before we browse the grocery store. You have to walk on this side. I can't vlog with my other arm. Now that we've lost all our humanity. Time to Patrick's destroying the evidence right now. Now we're gonna go buy a bunch of like all natural, vegan, healthy ingredients post McDonald's binge. Alright, time to shop. We've been meaning to get those little reusable bags. Oh my god, Patrick, we forgot our regular bags too.
Oh. I feel like we've been doing
this is the worst thing to vlog. We have these plastic. We're gonna have to get plastic. We're so unprepared. We didn't even eat before. We just got McDonald's and now we're using plastic. Please hate on me. I would be mad if you didn't hate, honestly.
So far.
Oh, I need kale. Oh my god, I almost
Kale
forgot.
right there.
Chop kale.
From the same farm too.
Yeah.
See you too.
Fresh from the farmer's market. So we need greens because we're gonna do like a bowl this week. But like, what greens should we do? I'm thinking these power greens. Spinach, kale, red and green chard, mustard greens, collards, and beet tops. Patrick, what do you think about these ones for a bowl?
How many?
It's like enough for one bowl right there.
I was gonna say, how long do you need this for?
Yeah. I've been loving grapes to snack on. They were on sale last week, so I got them, but I'm just gonna get them even though they're not on sale this week. A great one ingredient organic tahini. Roasted peeled organic sesame seeds. That's it. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so we weren't that bad because I asked for paper. So we have paper and we have 4 bags. And we got as much as we could into one single bag. So I think we weren't too evil to the environment today. Go, Patrick, go! He's not as cool as I am when I do it.
Go.
Bow, bow. Okay, we just finished grocery shopping. Oh yeah, we're going to Goodwill.
Jeez, almost forgot that, huh?
Yeah, we both forgot. Yeah, we're feeling the effects of McDonald's. This is exactly why McDonald's, well not the only reason, but
That's why we need to
we
stop
literally
eating stuff like
have
that.
no energy whatsoever. Okay, we're gonna go shopping. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so it's been a little while now since we went grocery shopping, and I was thinking about kind of doing a conjoined like vlog with the grocery shopping and the meal prep, but I think I'm going to keep it separate. So I just wanted to let you know that if you do want to see how we made the meals, subscribe, that way you can see my new videos, but also keep an eye out for that because that will be coming out soon. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video and kind of what we were doing today at the grocery store, please give it a thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe, like I was just saying. It really does support my channel, and I know that I'm kind of new right now if you're watching this when it first comes out, but I have loads of content promised for the future, so stick around. Alright, bye.